Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I'm pretty sure that you have an overabundance of these large handled tumblers that need to be organized, and this is the perfect thing for it.
If you are ready to say goodbye to clutter, you are going to love this bottle storage organizer from HAILMAJOR. It is designed to fit those handled 40-ounce containers. Now, those can take up so much room in your cabinets, and this is the perfect thing if you have an abundance of them, like most of us do. It is designed to have the handles fit perfectly and can fit 3 of those 40-ounce containers per row. It uses high strength steel pipes, non slip stripes on the thick acrylic material, and has very large compartments so you can fit all of your favorite emotional support water bottles with ease.
So, do yourself a favor and get one of these to keep all of your tumblers organized. You will not regret it. And that's my point of view.